All right, let me give you some tips on how you can make a really quick lasagna. You don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. So I would go out and buy dry lasagna noodles. There are many different brands out there. And with this type of a noodle, you do not have to boil it. You're going to use it dry. I'm going to show you what's going to keep that moist. So we want to have for our filling ricotta cheese, which we have here. So this is very dry ricotta. If your ricotta cheese is wet, you want to make sure that you drain it because you don't want the lasagna to be soggy. In the bowl with the cheese, we have 1 egg. We have grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. We have salt and we have pepper, and we've mixed it all up. So here's how this goes. First of all, you want to make sure that you have a really good tomato sauce. We like to make our own tomato sauce. You can find recipes on ciaoitalia.com. And you want to have a baked dish. So I spread a little bit of the sauce in a dish, a baked dish. This is a 9 by 12. Not a lot, just spread it around so it's just even like that. And then just give it a little shake. And then you have your lasagna noodles. So you want to use them in a pan that these will fit in. And you simply put them down, raw, just like that. Then you have your filling. And you take some of that, plop it here, right on top of the noodles. You don't want to make it too thick. And then I just spread it. Hold the noodle down and just spread it over the sheet, fairly thinly. Once you do that, and you see how thick this ricotta cheese is. We like to make our own, and you can find a recipe for making it on ciaoitalia.com. Very simple. Once you have it like that, then you just dab a little bit of sauce over that ricotta cheese. And you take the next layer, put it down over the top, and you continue like this, making layers until you get to the top. Then you're going to spread a lot of tomato sauce over it because that's what's going to keep it moist. You're going to cover it and bake it in a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. So here is our lasagna cooked for 45 minutes. And there it is. And you can see that these noodles are very soft. And that's because we put a really heavy layer of tomato sauce. So that's how you do a really quick lasagna.